Hi there and welcome back to my channel. I'm Lisa and today I'm going to be making a really cute mini book with you today. I'm really excited about this one. I'm going to be using the little DIY pack in this month's kit. It's the August kit, it's the Lollipop Box Club kit, and it's called Take Note. I'm really excited about this one. I will be doing an unboxing in a few days for you. Just so you know, I love making mini books. I make them quite regular on my channel and I try and vary them and change them, but they are just such a fun way to record your memories, your family stories, all that kind of thing. I do have a playlist which I will link up below so you can see all the most recent mini books that I've made. There's quite a few of them now. It's just a really fun way to, like I say, record your memories. So we're using this from the kit. And I'm going to be using something that I haven't actually used on video before. I have made one of these as a gift for my sister a few years ago. We're using jeans. I've got this old pair of jeans and they were like bootleg jeans. I have been wearing skinny jeans for ages, but I tried chopping them off at the bottom. I've wonder webbed them and worn them as like 3/4 length jeans, but to be honest, they're too big on me now. They're really baggy. The look is more skinny jeans and they're really old. But don't ever throw this kind of thing away. You can really use your jeans on so many projects. So that's exactly what we're doing today. Are you intrigued? Although you've probably seen the photo in the thumbnail, so you're not really intrigued. But I can't wait to make this, and it's going to be one for me this time because last time I didn't keep it, I gave it away. So I'm really excited to make this one with you. Just one other thing, I'm not including photos today. I'm making this mini book ahead of time. We have a trip coming up this summer and I want to be able to just include a few little photos when I get back. So it is going to be left blank for a little bit of journaling and the photos. I hope you enjoy this video today. I know lots of you ask for creative videos, more creative videos, so I hope this is exactly what you're after for. Please give me a thumbs up if it is. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you are new. So I've got some bits and pieces from the kit. I have been using the kit already, so things like my alphabet stickers I have already been using. I'm going to move this over to one side for now. And I'm going to hack away at these jeans. If you don't have a pair of jeans that you can hack away at, go and have a look in a charity shop. For example, we've got one, I'm going to use some sharper scissors. We've got one local to us and everything is £1. And they've always got jeans in there. You can use kiddie jeans. Obviously, if you've got holey jeans, I'm just going to roughly cut this out. I didn't want to cut down here because I've used the waistband on projects before as well. But if you can pick up a pair, if you haven't got a pair, really cheaply, they are really fun to use. So there's the holey jeans. There's definitely no going back now. And I'm just going to trim up this little pocket to make it tidy. I will keep the jeans, as like I said, I will use the remainder on other projects as well. So there's my pocket. Remember, it's important to keep the back on as you are using it as a pocket. You need the back. I'm now going to take the little DIY bag. In here you've got some mini tags and you've also got a book ring. It's the book ring that's going to keep it all together. You can also use papers from the kit. You can add larger photos. You could use memorabilia, anything like that to make the book bigger if you wish. Just remember, it will need to fit inside your denim pocket. And now I'm just going to decorate these 5 little tags. The papers in the August kit are really cute. Just to pre-warn you, really nice. You get 2 of each design. I've just got 3 here and I'm going to be using these. By the way, if you're interested in the kit, I will link it up below and you can go and take a look. If you subscribe, it works out cheaper. And there are also one-off kits that you can buy. The subscriptions are open for a couple more weeks. It's just from £16 to subscribe, free UK delivery, and if you want a one-off kit it's £18. I really want to keep the white and the craft showing, so I'm just going to add a little bit of the design on each side of the tag. All my strips down, they're roughly the same width, and I'm going to start by adding them to the tags. We've got the paper on, pattern paper on both sides. I'm now going to go through using all the die cuts, the embellishments, bits and pieces, and decorate both sides of the tags. Wanted to give you a little close-up of the tags I've been making. They look so different with the black outline. I just think they look so much nicer. I have bodged one up and I wanted to show you that. I have two options. One, to put a sticker over it, which is quite easily done, or two, which I'm going to do, I will actually put the photo over that. But this is the difference between the two. Just wanted to show you that. It really, let's look at the prettier side, does look nicer with the black edging. And here are the finished tags. They look so cute. I'm really pleased with these. I love the colours. They'll be so perfect for the summer, and I can't wait to add my tiny weeny photos and a little bit of journaling on each one. I'm going to use the book ring from the, I haven't decided which one's going to be my front. Actually, let's have summer memories. Let's put them in order. I can obviously always change the order, and like I said, I might just have some whole photos in there as well when I get back. I will obviously show you it when it's finished. I've done this for a few years now. I've actually made mini books in preparation before I go somewhere, so that when I get home I can just easily add a few photos and a little bit of journaling. I'm going to take the ribbon from the kit as well and tie it in a bow. I think not only does it look really cute, I like adding different textures to my mini books, and I do love a bow. This can pop inside the pocket like that. Something to the front of the pocket, because at the moment it looks a little bit boring. I am going to take the sticker here and stick it on the back. Let's stick it on the back of this card here and cut around the outside. I just didn't want the sticky back, and I wanted to make it just a little bit more sturdy. No sticky back, and it's nice and sturdy now. And I'm going to be attaching this on here. I want to take the fun acrylic embellishment from here. Let's attach that on there. That will look really cute. I'm going to take this clip as well. There's also, you can reuse the card on the back, and I'm going to attach this to the front like so. I like the idea of adding the take note. Let's do that. And I want to stick the fun on there. I think this sticker will be really nice as well. I'll always remember this. I've decided to add a little bit on the back, so I'm going to move these bits here and cut this down. This is just a bit of leftover card from what I was using, and I'm thinking actually of using my stapler. I've got a long reach stapler, which most of you know. Let's add a little bit of tape to hold it in place, but obviously I don't think the tape here is going to stay on, and I do love a staple. It's just that contrast of another material, isn't it? So let's pop that in there, obviously making sure that you don't go all the way through, because that won't be fun. And I've still got my blue staples in here from a previous project. We've got some vintage stamps in the kit. I'm going to use this one, they all vary, and I'm going to use a little bit of the ribbon that's left over that I've just cut off. I'm going to pop that on there. I think that looks really sweet. Let's use this Happened Today sticker. I do love using stickers. They're so much fun to use. Should we have another sticker? Yeah, another stamp. And I'm going to cut one of the hearts out of the pattern paper. I did recently, I think I shared a video, I'll see if I can find it, I can't remember which one it was in, where I created this patterned paper myself. There we go, and we'll add that. I've got my heat gun on at the moment because I want to attach this there. So I've just used a little bit of glue from my hot glue gun and attached that. I've attached these bits from the kit as well, and I think that looks really, really cute. I thought my mini book was finished until I saw the Bramble Fox packaging. That was from the Little Fun piece, and do you know, that's absolutely perfect. I might cover that up with some of the paper from the kit. I've got some here. I love that, so yeah, I'm going to do that. And I've just doodled around the edge to make it look a bit tidier. I will be adding a photo of the 4 of us on there. Let's slide this in. I'll probably smudge the ink now and pop that in there. And I'm really, really pleased with this mini book. I think it's so cute, and it was so quick and easy to make. Let me know, what do you think of this mini book? Have you seen something like this before? I think it's so much fun. Really fun creating something just a little bit different. And I'm super, super happy with this. Really happy. And I can't wait to come back from our trip and add our photos and a little bit of journaling. Obviously you can add more tags, you can add photos like stuck back to back if you wanted, or to stuck on other card. I will be attaching this piece, for example. You can just add whatever you want. Glassine envelopes, regular envelopes. You can make it as large or as small as you want. It's entirely up to you, but it's really, really fun to make. Thank you so much for watching me today. I really, really appreciate it. Leave me a comment below. Let me know what you're working on right now. How are you documenting your stories right at this very minute? For me, it's all about the mini books and the creative journaling. I haven't actually done a 12 by 12 for some time. And I haven't missed it at the moment either. I know I just go in and out of things all the time, so it's not that I'm not doing it. I'm just really enjoying what I am doing at the moment, and I think that's what it's all about, just to enjoy what you're actually doing and not stressing about what you're not doing. Enjoy what you are doing. But thank you so much for watching today. Go and find me on Instagram. I am the Funky Fairy for my personal account, and Lollipop Box Club for the business account. Please give me a thumbs up if you enjoy creative videos, if you'd like to see more creative content, and also don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you don't already. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you soon. Oh, and by the way, I will link up the kit below for you if you haven't seen it. It goes on sale on August the 1st. That's today. Thank you so much. Take care. Bye.